For beginners, I know most of us, we have a challenge of watch time. And indeed, when I remember how I handled it, I cannot say it is easy or it is hard, but it's about strategies. You know, making money online is like any other business. And for you to succeed in business, you have to make strategies. In today's video, it is going to be a bit of interactive. If you can put in the comment section, how long did it take you for you to reach 4,000 hours? You know, 4,000 watch hours is one of the requirement for you to be monetized on YouTube. Yeah, we have also on Facebook, but Facebook is only around 15,000 something. I don't remember. But today we're going to tackle or to talk about only YouTube watch hours. As you saw our previous video, by the beginning of next year, that is 1st February 2027, the watch hours will be 8,000 in last 90 days. Now, come to think about it. If you're still here, you have already reached 1,000 subscribers, and you've been toiling with 4,000 watch hours. What about if it reaches next year and it is doubled? How will you handle it? So I felt, let me come and share with you how I handled mine, because I remember it took me three months to be monetized. From the beginning of, you might see our YouTube channel was opened some time back, like the way you can open your channel, you know, it is free, you can open it to watch, to do what, but to join the business of making money online or to be serious, to do content, it took me 3 months, then I was monetized. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you those secrets. There are 2-3 secrets that I used. Meanwhile, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Don't forget that I'm the lady that says I should not hold a smartphone and beg for bread. If you can beg for bread for a month, for 2 months, 3 months, but after 1 year, if you have a smartphone, you should be using it. Before we dive into these open secrets that I used to be monetized and to get the 4,000 watch hours, allow me appreciate all our engagers. Thank you very much. I love you guys. You're just awesome. You make me be what I am today. So let's dive in. But I want you to get a pen. Don't take this for granted. No, it worked for me. If I get time, I'll put for you some proof there, and some of the videos I'll see. But if I don't, please put in the comment section, then I can enlighten you on it. The first big secrets, I can give it 100 over 100. It worked very amazing. I made a video of 1 hour. And this video of 1 hour was 1 hour. I remember this was a big secret that most people have never talked to me, have never told me about it. But my manager by then told me, Christina, let's do this. So the video of one hour, those are 60 minutes. It brought enough and enough. And on top of bringing a video of 1 hour, I had to bring a topic that was interesting. A topic that people would watch. I don't know whether we can make it the second point. Apart from bringing the video of 1 hour, I had this 1 hour video wasn't boring. It was, people were like, we need to watch. And which video was it? Guess. I remember the video was like, my life about Dubai, or know your Dubai, something like that. It was about Dubai, UAE. So I made this video, I think for the whole week, I was organizing for this video of 60 minutes. Guess, imagine. And the 60 minutes, remember editing them, but by then I wasn't editing myself, it was my manager editing. I was the one putting graphics and everything. So those are 2 points. We made a video of 60 minutes, and then we made sure that we have to look for an interesting topic. And after getting an interesting topic, this is now where the real gist is. How do people come to know a young or a new creator to watch the video? So we made work out of us. My group is composed of not less than 5 people. So this is an important secret. They can borrow it also. So what we did, we gave ourselves a target. Imagine 10 people, and each person is watching the video. So that means that is 60 minutes times 10. I want you to get your calculator. 60 minutes times 10. And they call you, as an individual, you qualify 3 times, they will count those watch hours. As Immaculate show, I can watch 3 times and it will be counted. James the same, Christine the same, the other one the same, Mike the same, everybody, Peter, all you can watch 3 times and it will be counted. So out of these 10 people, they watched 3 times. That means they were like, we were like 30 people. 30 and 30 times 60. Then that was our first goal. The second goal, we made sure that people out of 10, we used to recruit. You can also use it. We recruit like 3 people per day. Imagine you have people at work. The goal was to be monetized. The goal was to get the 4,000 watch hours, which was very easy. It was like taking juice. So every person would recruit 3 people to watch the video, that same video, on a daily basis. So imagine how do you get it? From your workmates, from your flatmates, from your relatives, your friends. That's how we did it. Now, did it work? It worked like magic. We would supervise. If I'm recruiting 3 people, I would supervise and make sure, please, you have to watch. I remember there are some people, our manager was in Somalia. He supervised students, high school students. Even up to now, they still send me messages. I'm from Somalia. We love your videos. Because he was the teacher and he would say, do you know this? Do you know about Dubai? Everybody wanted to know Dubai. You get it? So that strategy worked for us. Then the last but not least, playlist. Apart from having that 1-hour video, he created playlist. And creating playlist, he put other videos in that playlist. And the videos were concerned about, I think it was about Expo 2020. I remember I used to go for Expo 2020 to visit it like twice a week. And visiting it, people outside, people who are not going to Expo, they're interested. And remember, I'm just starting, I'm amateur. So people from watching the 60 minutes video talking about my life in Dubai, the 7 Emirates of Dubai, what the do's and don'ts, what you think, then it takes them to the playlist, the expo. People were happy to watch videos, what is happening in Ethiopia, how does Ethiopia look like? Do they have a president? They are never been colonized. We are taking tea. So it was entertaining. Now, guys, if you know you have not been there, just look for something that will hook people for you to be monetized. And you can also borrow what we used. If it works for you, okay. If it doesn't, if you can't manage, but you have to manage because you need to be monetized, guy. Okay? Thank you very much. See you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, and even to like. Comment, what do you think about these methods?